This is Zizipho Lubelwane. She is a self-proclaimed EFF Mbongi, and she is an EFF member. But I really feel sorry for her because she gets no sleep. The only thing she thinks about and dreams about, even during the day, is MK Party. Suddenly, she's now started praising Floyd Shivambu. Initially, when Floyd left the EFF, she had a whole lot of nasty things to say about Floyd. Go and have a look at her videos. You will see she attacked Floyd. She called him all sorts of names. And today, she claims that Floyd Shivambu has got his own camp within the MK Party. And the other camp she refers to as the Duduzile camp. Now, I would give her some advice. She must stop believing everything she sees and reads on social media. Zizipho is really a social media activist. And the danger about such activists, and I want her to listen to our own leader, Julius Malema, what he says about those that live their life and develop their own perceptions about life based on social media. He says he doesn't give two hoots about such people. So you need to take some advice from your own leader. Duduzile put up a post, right, on Twitter in which she made a very important observation that in South Korea, there were 4 presidents in 1 month. That was in December, in the past December. Of interest to all of you is that in South Korea, the opposition parties impeached the president. And it simply says that it's not a bad thing. It can happen. It's nothing new. Where does Zizipho get this in her head that this refers to the SG of MK Party? You see the narrow-mindedness of Zizipho? I would not ordinarily respond to her, but she's taking it a little bit too far. If you are following Zizipho on social media and you're watching her posts, I think you need to tell her that she should focus on her own product, her own party, and leave the MK Party out of this. I wouldn't be surprised if Zizipho is not a paid agent by white monopoly capital. Yes, that's right. You see, it's been the aim of racist whites in this country to keep Africans divided. And they've used some blacks to do it. Why would anyone in their right mind and being a black African person would want to go and denigrate and attack another African-led political party that has the same goals and ambitions as you do? So my appeal to Zizipho is to stop this nonsense of yours. We in MK Party, we don't see any divisions. We have one leader, that's President Jacob Zuma. He's our president. He leads us absolutely well. He is a seasoned politician and a leader who understands the dynamics of this country better than anyone else does. And for your information, MK Party, in less than 6 months, had double the votes that EFF had in their 10-year existence. Ask yourself why. Don't you think that it is a good thing that Africans are starting to unite in this country towards a goal that will end oppression and end poverty and end the fact that black people, African people in South Africa have no future? Don't you think that we should be doing something about this? Stop your bloody nonsense, man.